This is an avalanche that happened yesterday in Beehive Basin. 3 skiers came in here, they skinned up behind the camera, and they skied in right here. Their ski tracks lead into the ground. So it was triggered right in this zone here. It's about 300 feet across. Even bigger if you count the sympathetic slide that released over that way. If you include that, we're looking at about 500 feet. Breaking on the same weak layer that a lot of other avalanches have broken on. Facets that formed about a month ago in early December, about a foot off the ground. Right here. We continue to get avalanches on this layer, only now this layer is getting buried deeper and the avalanches are getting bigger. So going into avalanche terrain now, there's a good chance you can trigger an avalanche this weekend. We have more snow and wind coming, so we'd expect more avalanches.
We just skied the bed surface of the avalanche we were just looking at, and we came down into the trees here, and it's pretty easy to think, we saw the guy's skin track that was covered by the debris from the sympathetic release, and you could see how they would think they're in a safe area. And it's a great example that, when you have really unstable conditions, avalanches can propagate a really long distance, and it can tend to catch you off guard. So when you're riding in the backcountry, really make sure you know what avalanche terrain is, pay attention to what's above you, what's below you, and just really be conservative in your terrain choices when conditions are this unstable. We were just looking at the human-triggered slide that occurred on the other side of the basin, east-facing slope. On our way back to the car, we came across this slide. This thing just happened. It's as fresh as can be. We did not see it on our way up. And a nice natural avalanche, a couple hundred feet across. It hasn't even really started snowing yet. And if this thing kicks in tonight into tomorrow, more snow, more wind, we're really going to need to be heads up in the backcountry through the foreseeable future.